So, only $200 left on the account. That means that with my normal position sizing, I'll be able to only lose one trade before I eventually blow up the account. So, because of that, I decided that I'll be sizing down, only risking $100 per trade. So, that in the end, I at least have two more trades that I am able to take. And if those two end up being losses, then I guess I will blow the account. I hope that doesn't happen, but I don't have high hopes, seeing as how my track record has been in the past 2 months. So yeah, I'll definitely try my best. I'll try to follow my plan and only take trades that fully follow my plan. But I have no control over how they go, and I can just hope for the best. And yeah, Monday is a bank holiday, so no trades on that day. That leaves only 4 days for this week. So let's see what trades I end up taking. On Tuesday, I actually ended up taking this solid win right here, a small one, since I said that I'll be sizing down. So this was only one contract, which ended up being a $185 win. So yeah, I was definitely bullish for today, or not definitely, but more bullish than bearish. We were reacting from this nice 4 hour gap here. I was looking for the 4 hour candle to inverse this bearish 4 hour gap, which we ended up inversing. But that was actually after I closed my trade. So I saw that off open, we tapped inside this hourly fair value gap, and in the 75 percent of this hourly rejection block. And following that, I entered after these 3 minute stacked imbalances got inversed by this gap, by this candle. So I entered there with my stop loss below this candle low, and my break even here at the open New York open highs, looking to scale and trail my stop loss at these relative equal highs. I ended up doing that, and in the end, I got out at this candle low right here, or I think just at all time highs, a little bit higher. So yeah, this was a very nice win to start of the week. Definitely a boost in my confidence, but let's see if I can replicate this in the following days. Wednesday was a no trade day. I was still kind of leaning bullish for today, but after seeing that off open, the hourly candle closed and inversed quite a lot of imbalances, I decided that a bearish setup could indeed work, and I marked out this 15-minute gap, which got tapped. But from there, I didn't spot any viable entry since there wasn't one. And yeah, I decided that it would be best to close the charts for the day. So this day had potential, but unfortunately, it ended up being a no trade day. On Thursday, my bias was kind of bearish this time as we were reacting from this 1 hour gap. We had just made a run on Asian highs, and I wanted to originally enter after an inversion of this gap made off open, but the candle that inversed it closed so far down that I couldn't get any good entry from there. So yeah, after that, price went a little bit lower, quite lower actually, like 100 points, before eventually inversing this 15-minute gap, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, this 15-minute gap, and it just kept on going. So yeah, seeing as I missed the opportunity, and I was sure that I wouldn't get another bearish one like my bias was, I closed the charts quite early, or like half an hour in, And yeah, that was it for the day. On Friday, I was bullish this time, and off open price broke past all-time highs. So I was looking for a continuation of an imbalance, and yeah, that didn't happen as I would have wished. And yeah, price went quite a bit lower before eventually sort of reversing, but in the end just going sideways for the rest of the day. And at this point, it was quite late in the day, almost 11. So I decided that it would be best not to enter. And yeah, even so, I would have gotten stopped out at break even at best. So it's better that I didn't enter and I closed the charts early. So yeah, that's it for this day. To recap the week, I ended up only taking one trade this week, the one on Tuesday. Monday was a bank holiday, so of course no trading on that day. And Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, I didn't find any opportunities. So that means that this is the first time in 2 months where I end the week uh, in profit, only $180 this week. But I guess it's better than how the previous weeks were, where I lost over and over again. So yeah, for next week, I'll still keep my position size low. I'll still risk anywhere between 100 and $150, but closer to 100 definitely. So yeah, the trade I took was good, and I followed my plan and didn't take any other trades. I didn't force any other trades where there wasn't an opportunity. So yeah, this was a good week overall.